Hello my friends, sorry for my English and sorry also for the sunglasses, but to have enough light for this very bad camera I need an open window behind it and then in front of me. Today I would like to talk with you about personal computer. Computer is a word with a Latin origin, computare, that is composed by cum, that means together, and putare, that means cut. Then computare take the meaning of compare to have a net result. Computer then is a calculator where a user insert data in input and it gives you an output result. A personal computer is a computer that can be used by only one person, instead of very old computers or the mainframes that need more than one person to work, more than one technician. Today we use the term personal computer to refer to IBM compatible computer, but due to the meaning of the word computer, we can say that also PlayStation is a personal computer or Macintosh is a personal computer. They are not IBM compatible, but they are personal computers. Italian and English Wikipedia agree to consider the Olivetti Programma 101, Program 101, the first one ancient of the personal computer. It was a desktop computer created by the Italian engineer Pier Giorgio Garotto in 1965. But Olivetti was already an important name in the world of the electronic system, considering that in 1957 the Italian-Chinese Mario Chu created the ELEA 9003, the first only transistor computer in the world. In the early 70s, another Italian engineer, Federico Faggin, working for Intel, was one of the most important names in the creation of the first microprocessor. The microprocessor permit to create a computer more little than before, and the two computers that you are seeing here are two microcomputer of the 1983. One of the first microcomputer, not real the first one, but surely one of the most important, was the Apple I by Steve Jobs. In the early 80s, at the end of the 1980s, IBM was searching for an operating system for its new creation, the IBM personal computer. Then they talked with the Digital Research that was producing the CP/M, that was the standard operating system for the microcomputer at that time. But they didn't find an agreement. Then IBM decided to take contact with Microsoft. Microsoft at that time was producing only program languages like the Microsoft Basic. But they decided to buy the rights from the Seattle Computer Products of the QDOS, Quick and Dirty Operating System, in a second time named 86DOS. That was a clone of the CP/M. Microsoft fast recompiled it and sent it to the IBM, that was quite satisfied of this product. In any case, during some checks they found some bugs and decided to recompile it again by themselves, creating the PC-DOS. At the beginning, the PC-DOS was licensed by both Microsoft and IBM together. In the next version, they will be licensed separately, MS-DOS for Microsoft and PC-DOS for IBM. On the other side of the world, in Italy, here where I am, in 1982 Olivetti created the M20, a microcomputer with a proprietary operating system that was the Picos. But there was no need of too much time to understand that the IBM with his DOS defined the way in the market. Then the next year, in 1983, Olivetti decided to create an IBM compatible computer, the M24.